everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another video, and this time we're in my pantry. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this was my pantry, how it currently looked. Now, you've seen me do a little pantry makeover a few years ago where I added that polka dot wallpaper, which I'm keeping, but I had way too much decor going on in here, guys. There was absolutely no organisation. So off camera, I took everything out of this pantry and started again. Now guys, there was lots of stains in here. There was sauce stains where bottles had fallen over, honey stains. I just ripped it all apart and went in with a really good clean down first of all. Now I mentioned before that I do a lot of colour matching when it comes to paint. This is Dulux Aqua Enamel, and I had a cup in my pantry, guys, that was a beautiful baby blue, and I got the shop to colour match that. So what I'm going to do is go in on my shelves with two coats. Now this Dulux Aqua Enamel is great, guys, for covering up stains like this honey stain on my shelves. I really love taking paint, guys, and giving a fresh coat of paint to things. I think it just brings up such a beautiful look to your home. So guys, once everything was dry, I then went in and sorted out what decor I was going to put back in. Now I wanted, obviously, for it to be very practical but very pretty at the same time. Now I had two of these pretty rattan trays that I picked up from Spotlight last year. One of them I used to place all my sauces on, and the other one I'm going to make a little coffee station. Now I ended up playing around with this because I added the "But First" coffee sign as well, and I love how it came. So one of the things I love doing when it comes to organising my pantry is by using my pretty decor as storage. Like, for example, this beautiful blue bowl. Now guys, I have porridge every morning for breakfast, and I love adding trail mix on top. And I love these little boxes of trail mix that I get from Woolies, and what I did is I just took the plastic off them and I put them inside the bowl. Now inside my pantry door I have three little hooks, and I love to add decor to that as well. Now I'm going to add these cute little pink and white oven mitts that are from Amazon, and I also just recently picked up this beautiful black and white check apron, also from Amazon. Now guys, I've been adding pops of black and white in my kitchen as well, and I absolutely loved this little apron. Now if you are following my sweet friend Liz over at Traditions by the Seasons, this little apron may jog your memory. She has this on a dress form in her home, and I'm not sure if she's actually put it in her new home because she's just moved, but in her previous home she had it on a dress form, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And when I spotted it on Amazon while I was shopping one day, I was like, oh my goodness, there's Liz's apron, and I just think it looks so cute. Now to finish off my pantry makeover, I had this adorable little home mat that I picked up from AliExpress a few years ago. It was the perfect little size for the area of my pantry.
times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now, but somewhere I'll go and hide.
So guys, here is my pantry makeover. I'm so happy with how it came.
Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now.
I'm so happy with how the blue shelves came. Now guys, I've decided that this is just going to be part 1 to this video. I really want to change up that wallpaper. So there will be a part 2 in the future. I don't know when it will be. I haven't even ordered or looked at wallpaper yet, but I do intend to have a part 2 to this video. So that will come in the future. So I was thinking maybe a blue and white check wallpaper for here, or maybe some sort of chinoiserie print. I really love that chinoiserie print, guys, with the birds, or some sort of design where there is pretty blue and white flowers. Let me know in the comments which one you think I should choose. Now, I also wanted to share with you my adorable little mixer art. I think this is so cute, guys. I got it off Etsy, and it also happens to go with my beautiful little toy mixer in blush pink. Now, so many people ask me where I got this from. This is actually in the toy section of Kmart. Now, it comes in a set of 4, and if you watch the video back inside the pantry, you'll see the other 3 items, and I just think it is so adorable. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I just wanted to say thank you for being patient with me. I had some computer issues again last week, but I've since fixed them. So I'll be back again next week for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. If you could give me a big thumbs up, it truly helps the channel, guys. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Looking for a new start. Yes, sir.